every step feels slow, the road is long and wide. Sometimes it's hard to carry what we keep inside. Nothing comes easy, nothing falls from the sky. But there's something different when we choose to try.
It's in our minds, it's in what we believe. The quiet power to imagine more than we see. Nothing is easy, but we can dream. Close our eyes and feel free. We can rise above the ground, we can learn to fly. And sometimes, just sometimes, we touch the sky. Stand again, learning how to stay strong. Time moves slowly, but it still moves on. Not every answer comes, not every door is clear, but the heart keeps talking when the dream is near.
In the silence of the night, there's a voice that remains, telling us to keep moving through the doubt and the pain.
Nothing is easy, but we can dream. Find our way between in between. We can rise above the ground, we can learn to fly. And sometimes, just sometimes, we touch the sky. Cada paso es lento, el camino es largo. A veces pesa más de lo que imaginamos. Nada es fácil en la vida, nada llega sin más. Pero hay algo distinto cuando decides soñar.
Está en la mente, en creer de verdad, en esa fuerza silenciosa que no se quiere apagar.
Nada es fácil, pero podemos soñar. Cerrar los ojos y volver a volar. Podemos romper el suelo, podemos llegar más allá. Y a veces, solo a veces, podemos tocar los sueños. Nothing is easy,
But we still believe dreams are waiting for those who don't leave.